Lesikole ngesinye sezikole ezakhahlamezeka kakhulu ngesikhathi kuhlasele izikhukhula eMthatha ngoNhlangulana nyakenye. Kanti abanye babafundi abakulesi sikole abayi13 bemuka namanzi ngesikhathi ikhumbi abebehamba ngayo imuka emva kokuguguleka kwebhloho eyayiwela kulo. Namhlanje kwembulwe itshe lesikhumbuzo sabafundi abayi10 abashona.
Wayethi kayethetha athi mama ndiza kukhupha kule ntlungu kuyo. Ndiye ndicinge lo mazwi xa ndimcinga umntanam. Akumandanga kum.
Inhlangano iGift of the Givers ibibambisane neCell C kanye nenkampani kaphethiloli iShell ekuletheni uguquko kulesi sikole.
Sicela ukubulela kakhulu. Sibulela ngeproject enisenzele yona nangecare enisinike yona. Elitshe lona nangona sizobane sibakhumbula but sizothi siqhele.
Phakathi kwengqalasizinda enikelwe kulesi sikole kukhona amagumbi okufundela, igumbi lokufundela ukubaza iwoodwork workshop kanye namagumbi ezobuchwepheshe itechnical block.
The garden outside, we've got the memorial stone in the front, we've got a board on the classroom, and every single child that passes in through this school for the rest of the existence of the school will remember 10 kids who passed on in a storm in this province.
Umnyango uthi uzojuba onogada ukuvikela lengqalasizinda yesikole.
We must find a way of bringing the high fenced security here so that it becomes a bit difficult for any crime to come in the space.
Esifundeni iOR Tambo bangama32 abafundi abashona kulandela izikhukhula zangoNhlangulana.